Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly special lined up for you. We're diving into a selection of amazing tools available on Amazon that take functionality and innovation to a whole new level. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend warrior, these tools are sure to impress. So let's jump right in. Number 1. The Jurist 152-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set is an impressive collection that caters to nearly every need for both professional and amateur users. With a staggering 140 bits in various models, including Torx, Phillips, Pentalobe, Star, Tri-Wing, and Triangle, you're equipped to tackle almost any screw you might encounter. The 4 long bits are particularly useful for reaching deeper screws, ensuring that no job is out of reach. Notably, for frequently used bits, Jurist provides a few extra of the same type, which is a thoughtful touch. The ergonomic handle is crafted from TPR and PP materials, offering a comfortable grip while also featuring a rotatable tail for ease of use. You can even adjust the length of the toolbar, making it simple to reach spots that are typically hard to access. The bits are made from high-quality CRV steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. This set also includes 13 multifunctional accessories, like a universal hose for multi-angle disassembly, a magnetic mat to keep tiny screws from getting lost, and a silver adapter for compatibility with electric screwdrivers. Housed in a solid, well-organized storage box, each bit is clearly labeled, making it easy to find what you need quickly. Overall, this set is a must-have for anyone looking for versatility and reliability in their toolbox. Number 2. The Strong Hand Tools MSA 46HD Adjust-O. Heavy-duty magnet square is a game-changer when it comes to holding metal workpieces at precise angles. This tool allows for quick and easy setups at 45 and 90 degrees, making it perfect for a variety of applications, whether you're working with round or square tubing, angle iron, or flat stock. The setup is incredibly user-friendly. You simply turn off the magnet while positioning your pieces and then activate it when you're ready to start working. With a pull force of up to 90 pounds, you can rely on it to securely hold even heavier materials in place. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. Just switch off the magnet and wipe it down. Compact in size, measuring 4 3/8 by 3 3/4 by 1 1/8 inches, this tool is not only efficient but also easy to store, making it an essential addition to your workshop. Number 3. The Walenzy Lawn Aerator is an effective tool for revitalizing your lawn. Designed with 15 sharp metal spikes, this manual aerator helps loosen soil and thatch, allowing essential nutrients like air, water, and fertilizer to reach the roots. This makes it an excellent choice for preparing your lawn for seeding and promoting healthier plant growth. With its efficient design, the 15 spikes work simultaneously, significantly improving your productivity compared to those that use just 4 spikes. Constructed from durable iron with a powder-coated finish, this aerator is built to withstand the elements and resist rust. The 34.6-inch length allows for comfortable use without straining your back. The cushioned T-handle and foot bar make the poking action easier and more energy efficient. Whether you have clay, sand, or loam soil, this tool is designed to breathe new life into your lawn, helping you achieve a vibrant and healthy garden or yard. Number 4. The Built Hard Electric Tiller Cultivator is an ideal tool for anyone looking to maintain their garden effortlessly. Powered by a robust 10-amp AC motor that can reach speeds of up to 17,000 RPM, it effectively cultivates an area up to 14 inches wide and 8.7 inches deep. Featuring 4 heavy-duty rust-resistant tines that rotate at 360 RPM, it slices through the soil with ease, making your gardening tasks quicker and more efficient. One of its standout features is the foldable handle, which allows for easy storage and transportation. With just a few adjustments, you can set the handle to your preferred height. The tiller is also lightweight at only 17.98 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and control while you work. This electric tiller is perfect for loosening soil, removing weeds, and mixing compost in small to medium gardens, flower beds, or lawns, making it the right assistant for all your gardening needs. Number 5. The Hupar Self-Leveling Green Crossline Laser Level is an incredibly handy tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to tackle indoor construction and decoration projects. With a powerful built-in 3.7-volt, 1,400 mAh lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 6 hours of continuous operation, eliminating the hassle of constantly changing out AA batteries. You'll appreciate the 4 battery indicators that display the remaining capacity, and the Type-C charging port allows for convenient recharging using a laptop, power bank, or car charger. Switching between self-leveling mode and manual mode is a breeze, enabling quick leveling within 3 seconds and flashing green beams to alert you when you're out of range. The advanced diode technology produces bright green laser lines that are highly visible up to 100 feet, making it perfect for installing doors, windows, or hanging decor. Compact and lightweight, the tool is also designed with a high IP54 protection grade to withstand various conditions, ensuring durability for all your leveling needs. Number 6. The Fantic T1. Max Soldering Iron Kit is an impressive tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It comes with 4 rapid heating soldering tips that allow for fast heating times, reaching up to temperature in as little as 7 seconds. This feature significantly reduces your waiting time, enhancing your efficiency during repair tasks. The kit also includes a solder sucker and precision tweezers, making the entire soldering process much smoother. One of the standout features is its dual mode capability. In wireless mode, it operates on a powerful 2,600 mAh battery, providing up to 60 minutes of use at high temperatures. When connected via cable, you can achieve an even higher output. The intelligent gravity sensing feature puts the soldering iron into sleep mode after 15 seconds of inactivity, helping to conserve energy. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, you can tailor the heat for various components, preventing any damage. Along with a stylish aluminum storage container, the T1 Max performs excellently and keeps your workspace organized and aesthetically pleasing. Number 7. The No-Cry Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool is a must-have for anyone working in tight spaces or dealing with small metal objects. With a powerful pull force of 25 pounds, this tool makes it easy to retrieve screws, nuts, or other iron parts without the hassle of bending down. It's extremely versatile, extending from a compact 7 inches to a full 30 inches, allowing you to reach into small and hard-to-access areas effortlessly. Designed with comfort in mind, the tool features a cushioned, non-slip handle that feels great in your hand. Plus, it has a pocket clip for convenient storage, making it easy to carry around in your tool belt or pocket. Built to last, the stainless steel construction is rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring durability over time. However, it's best to avoid extended exposure to water to maintain its functionality. Overall, this magnetic pickup tool is a practical companion for mechanics, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The stainless steel magnetic pickup tool is a game changer for anyone involved in welding, metal separation, or any tasks that require precision handling of metal materials. This tool features a powerful disc magnet designed to optimize magnetic strength while ensuring it retains its magnetism over time. It can handle heat resistance up to 80 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various industrial applications. One of its standout features is the ergonomic, one-handed lifting capability. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the handle is protected with CPC material, allowing for comfortable operation without straining your grip. Using the tool is intuitive. Simply align it with the item you want to lift, attract it, and then move it to your desired spot. When you're ready to release, just lift the handle, and the item detaches effortlessly. Versatile in its application, this magnetic tool excels in environments like laser cutting machines, surface grinding machines, and high-speed circular saws, making your metal handling tasks simpler and more efficient. Number 9. The The Toolant Torx T60 Impact Bit Socket Set is a top-tier choice for anyone needing reliable and durable tools. Made from high-quality S2 alloy steel and enhanced with a special heat treatment process, these bits offer outstanding wear and impact resistance, significantly reducing the risk of breakage and stripping during use. The set is also coated with manganese phosphate, which provides superior rust and corrosion resistance, more effective than traditional black oxide coatings. The one-piece construction design offers improved strength, allowing the bits to withstand extreme torque without compromising their integrity. They are equipped with a pinhole for use with pin and O-ring, ensuring secure socket retention. Designed specifically for use with power and pneumatic impact wrenches, these bits effortlessly grip rusty screws, making your tasks easier. With permanent laser-etched size markings for quick identification, this set is widely used by professional automotive mechanics for tightening and removing bolts in various vehicle parts, enhancing efficiency in the workshop. Number 10. The 5-in-1 Professional Electrician Wire Nut Twister Stripping and Twisting Tool is an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit. It includes 5 different wire strippers, compatible with 8 AWG, 10 AWG, 12 AWG, and 14 AWG wires, along with a wire twisting connector. This versatility makes it suitable for various wiring projects, including electrical cables and telephone lines, simplifying your tasks significantly. Designed for quick and precise stripping, this tool minimizes the risk of finger injuries and reduces fatigue, providing a more comfortable work experience. It easily attaches to most corded or cordless drills, using a standard 1/4-inch chuck, making it adaptable for all your projects. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy through a specialized extraction process, the tool features excellent hardness, wear resistance, and heat resistance. Its ergonomic design enhances ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With this tool, you can achieve efficient and precise wire stripping and twisting every time. Number 11. The KastKing Steel Stream 6 Pieces Fishing Toolkit is designed to make your fishing experience smooth and enjoyable, featuring a complete set of essential tools. The standout item is the 7-inch fishing pliers made from S45C carbon steel, which includes a polymer corrosion-resistant coating to ensure durability. These pliers come with a coiled lanyard and a comfortable rubber handle for better grip. You also get a razor-sharp 7-inch fillet knife crafted from 420 stainless steel, known for its toughness and corrosion resistance. The non-slip rubber handle enhances comfort and control while filleting. The kit includes corrosion-resistant braid scissors with a serrated edge and a titanium coating, perfect for easy, precise cutting. Additionally, the combo provides a floating fish lip gripper to prevent sinking and possible fish injury. A tool retractor is also included to keep everything securely attached to your tackle bag or within easy reach. This kit is perfect for both novice and experienced anglers looking for reliability and quality on the water. Number 12. The digital caliper is an essential tool for anyone in need of precise measurements, whether for DIY projects, woodworking, or metalworking. This caliper features a measuring range of 0 to 150 millimeters, or 6 inches, with impressive resolution down to 0.01 millimeters, or 0.0005 inches, and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, 0.001 inches. Converting between inch and millimeter measurements is as simple as pressing a single button, making it convenient for users working with different measurement systems. Crafted from high-strength stainless steel, this caliper is waterproof, stain-proof, and oil-proof, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. The large LCD screen provides clear readings, while the thumb, rolling, and locking screw enables smooth sliding and precise positioning for fine adjustments. This multifunctional tool is perfect for measuring internal and external dimensions, heights, and depths. Plus, with an automatic shutoff feature after 4 minutes of inactivity, you won't have to worry about conserving battery life. Overall, it's a reliable tool for accurate measurements every time. Number 13. The electric grease gun drill adapter is a versatile tool that transforms your electric drills, impact drivers, or pneumatic tools into a powerful grease gun. With an impressive pressure of up to 12,000 psi, it works with all standard 1/8-inch NPT grease fittings, eliminating the need to carry multiple specific tools. The design allows for one-handed operation, thanks to a smooth retraction mechanism. This adapter set includes a 12-inch grease gun hose, a 6-inch rigid pipe, a converter, and 2 types of connected heads for various applications, making installation straightforward. It features a no-leak design with an explosion-proof canister made from high-density alloy, which prevents deformation and leakage during use. The tool can accommodate standard 14-ounce cartridges or bulk grease, ensuring a tight seal for efficient operation. A transparent protective cover enhances safety, making this grease gun adapter an essential addition to any toolkit for effective maintenance and lubrication. Number 14. The EPL Bolt Extractor Set is an essential kit for anyone dealing with damaged or stripped fasteners. This 26-piece set includes 13 bolt removal sockets ranging from 1/4 inch to 19 millimeters, 6 twist drill bits from 3/32 inch to 3/8 inch, and 6 spiral screw extractors. It's designed to work seamlessly with a variety of tools, such as impact guns, air ratchets, and breaker bars, thanks to its compatibility with a 3/8 inch square drive. Using the set is straightforward for both beginners and seasoned users. Simply select the appropriate drill bit to create a hole in the damaged screw, then use the spiral screw extractor to remove it. The versatile drill bits can be used on wood, metal, plastic, and walls, enhancing the set's utility. Constructed from durable 41 chromium chrome steel, each bolt extractor offers exceptional hardness and strength, ensuring longevity even under high-intensity use. This set is a great solution for tackling tough fastener issues efficiently. Number 15. The Toolant Square Drive Bit Set is specifically designed for heavy screw driving tasks, making it an invaluable addition to any toolbox. This 11-piece set includes a variety of square bits that are crafted from S2 alloy steel, featuring a CNC machine tip and hardened core for improved strength and durability. The torsion zone design helps reduce the risk of breakage, while the manganese phosphate surface provides excellent rust resistance. The set features several bit lengths, including 7 2-inch bits, 1 6-inch bit, and 3 1-inch bits, covering the most common sizes in square screw applications. The magnetic tips come with rings that make it easy to pick up screws and operate single-handedly. Color coding on the bits allows for quick size identification. This set is perfect for a wide range of projects, from home repairs to construction and automotive tasks. With its versatility and durability, it easily meets all your screw driving needs.